After casting doubts over her immediate future with the Sunshine Girls, head coach Connie Francis is set to see out her contract and remain with the team until at least next year. As we hear in this report from Jerome Foster, Francis is expected at training this week.
After their best ever achievement at a Commonwealth Games by grabbing a silver medal in Birmingham in August, the fraternity was thrown into a tailspin when the leader of the pack, Connie Francis, considered stepping away from the post as head coach. The former captain insisted that she fell out of love with the sport that gave her everything. But Netball Jamaica's blushes are seemingly spared as Francis has made a U-turn on her initial plan.
It is important that persons take the time out to take a break, and so that's one of the reasons when the team goes on a tour is very difficult, you know. When the team goes on a tour, they typically get 2 to 3 weeks off. The coach asked for additional time, she received the additional time, and she will be back at training.
Netball Jamaica President Trisha Robinson says the administration had no qualms about listening to the requests of Francis.
We're always having conversations like every family. There'll be up times, there'll be down times. But what is important is that when we have issues, we sit as a family, discuss those issues, and resolve them.
Incidentally, Francis was missing from the celebratory dinner put on by the directors of Netball Jamaica for their silver medal performance. The players were, however, all aboard, and Captain Janelle Fowler was grateful for the recognition.
More than elated at this point because, for us to be recognized and for sponsors to come out and to throw this small fete, it's really good. Hopefully a lot more sponsors will come on board and will appreciate what we have to offer as well and know that we can support them in many ways, and definitely, it will get bigger.
The Sunshine Girls have the America's Netball Tournament and a tour of New Zealand later this year to come, and Robinson says there's unfinished business ahead of the World Cup in 2023.
Connie started this journey, the netball cycle, 3 years ago. Or last year, in the cycle is next year. We're looking forward to the World Cup, and as a family, we are going to be at the World Cup, and we will be performing well at the World Cup.
We are ecstatic about the performance of the girls, absolutely ecstatic. They have been coming along, and they have gotten pretty close to the pinnacle now, and we are right behind them, and we are going to be there. This performance at the Commonwealth Games, of course, is the best they have ever done, and they came within a whisker of the gold medal. We are very proud of them, and we are urging them on.
Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.